Let me also show you how to set up recurring actions your AI assistant can run automatically by using something called cron jobs. Let's go back to the OpenClaw control panel. And then on the left-hand side, go into cron jobs. And on the screen, you'll have two main boxes. On the left, this box is just the status. You'll see if the scheduler is enabled, how many jobs you have, and the next time it's going to wake up. And on the right is where you create a job. Let's start by giving our job a name. I'll name this Summarize Emails and Meetings. You can add a description if you want to. Next, let's go down to the schedule. Right now it's set for every 30 minutes. So for example, I could change this to 1, and then from minutes to days. And lastly, we need to tell the AI what this job is. That's what you put into the system text box here. So I'll type, check my Gmail and Google Calendar. Summarize anything important since the last run. Then send me a short update on Telegram. So now with this job, for every single day, it's going to summarize my Gmail and Google Calendar. And that's going to send me a message on Telegram with anything important. Once you're happy with this, just click on Add Job. And then you'll see that new job down here. And that's it. Your assistant is now going to run this job automatically on the schedule that you chose. And once you get the hang of this, you can schedule basically anything. If it's a task that you want your assistant to handle automatically, just turn it into a job here.